Alright guys, so today we have the iPhone 6s. We got it from Metro. They were having a deal, so I've had this for about a week or so. So we've gotten pretty used to it. So we got the phone, rose gold, 32 gigabytes. It was $50 at Metro. Lightning connector. We got the wall block for it, and Apple headphones. And in here we have like manual, I guess. Not really a manual, it's a piece of paper. And the Apple stickers. But because we got an Apple iPhone, we needed an Apple case. So we just got a impact strong waterproof case. It's supposed to be shockproof, waterproof, snowproof, and dirt proof. Okay. What in the world? Okay. Found it. Okay, we got a bunch of stuff here. We got the case. We got, don't run away, a holder. I literally cannot think of what this is called.
Lanyard.
Lanyard. Whatever that is. This thing. I don't know what that is either. It's a thingamabob. Hold on, I'm sure all this stuff will... I thought it was just going to be a case, guys. I was not expecting any of this. Oh, what is all this stuff? Oh my. I'm not sure what all this is about. Oh, okay. So it screws in to protect the phone. Everything is like all uptight in there. Okay, so
I guess it wasn't as hard as we thought it would be. I'm guessing these are like extra pieces, so that's cool. Comes with extra pieces. Still not 100% on what that's for, but I mean, who really cares, right? I mean, do we really need it? Do we, guys? Do we really? No, I don't think so. So, it even came with this cool cleansing cloth, which I can guarantee Chris is gonna steal.
but I still don't know what this is about. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's our video. And thank you for taking that weird journey with us. All right. Hasta la pasta.